And today we're going to be talking about this home inventory app and how there's nothing to download, but you can have the app on your phone like this. Now if I click on it, just like so, it brings up the app and then I can log in, okay? But how did I do that? Well, first of all, let me go ahead and delete this app, and I'll take this and I'll throw it in a trash can up here to remove, like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Chrome browser, okay, and I'm just going to type in there a1sold.com, just like that, and you'll notice it has the home inventory tracking. Okay, now at the top right, you see those three little dots up there? Just click on those three little dots and scroll down to where it says add to home screen, and you see that add to home screen? So click that add to home screen, and you could change the name. I just leave it home inventory, and it has that little yellow smiley face, and you just click add, just like that, and this will come up, Moto App Launcher, and click add to home screen, just like that, and that'll put that little icon on your home screen right there. And if you want to move it, like how we all have these different screens, I like having this on the main one because I use it all the time, and I put it right there beside my Twitter, and so anytime I'm ready to log in, I just open it up, click the down button, click login. My login is already saved, and so I click login just like that, and I'm ready to go. And that's all you have to do to get it on your home screen, and then it's always there. Alright, this is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope you have benefited from this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.